Welcome to my channel. We'll be cooking okra soup with tilapia fish. As you can see here, tilapia fish is a very healthy fish, very nutritious and very tasteful as well. My ingredients, the main ingredients is the okra. I've already sliced it. Then the Uziza leaf. You can use any other leaf at your disposal. You can use Okro or any other leaf, but I prefer Uziza leaf because of the taste it gives and the aroma as well. Then I have the yellow pepper. You can use the red pepper or any pepper of your choice. Then I have onions, salt, seasoning, and palm oil. The fish is already in the pot. Then we'll add salt. Add salt gradually. Too much salt is not good for okra and for your health as well. Then the seasoning, we'll go ahead and grate the pepper and the onions, just like so. Good. Add your water. Okay. You go ahead and pour the paste. Okay. Go ahead and light your fire. Place the pot on it. Make sure your paste is stirred properly. The pepper and the onions with the salt and the seasoning cubes. Then you cover to simmer. Okay, this is about 15 minutes of the fish cooking. Then you have to turn it to the other side so that the fish will cook properly, because this okra doesn't require a lot of water. So this is the water the fish brought out with the paste from the pepper and onions. So we have turned it properly. We'll have to cover it again to simmer for some few minutes. I'll come back to it. This is 5 minutes from the last time we checked for the fish. At this point we'll have to taste to make sure the fish is seasoned properly. Yeah, that's the right seasoning. So we'll go ahead and add our palm oil. Then we'll add the okra. Then we'll add the Uziza leaves. We are adding the leaves same time with the okra because we are not allowing the okra to cook for too long. So we turn gently so that the fish would not splatter. So we'll cover again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll come back and take it off the stove. Okay, my lovelies, this is about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it's simmering very well, and we don't want to overcook the okra. So at this point, we'll have to take it off the stove because we don't want to overcook the okra. So let me know in the comment section, what will you take this beautiful okra soup with today? Thank you for watching. So this is the outcome of the fresh okra with tilapia fish. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be eating with this delicious, tasteful, fresh okra soup with tilapia fish. Thank you and see you in my next video.